Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwat, and in today's video, I am going to tell you how to insert signature in your Gmail account. Now, let's move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to insert signature in your Gmail message, and after that, I will tell you how to make changes in your formatting style of your signature. So all this will be discussed in today's video. Now let's move on to our Gmail and see how can we insert and make changes in our signature. Now we are in our Gmail account. Now we have to insert the signature. So what is the signature? So if you want, like if I click on compose, you will see there is no signature in here. That means when I send the message, I have to write the best regards, what is my name, position, and everything. And while done by doing only one thing and inserting the signature in your Gmail account, will save yourself from lot of trouble. So how you can do it? Just click on this gear, which is a setting option. When you click on it, you will go into see all settings, which is under the quick settings option. When you click on it, it will take you to the settings in general option. In general, there are a lot of options that you are available with, while we have to scroll down and we will look for signature very peculiarly. So now before, just above the personal level indicator and below create contacts for autocomplete, there is an option that is signature appended at the end of all outgoing messages. So I want to do that. How can I create now? So click on create new. When you click on, it will ask you to the name of a new signature. So I will write my name, Harshwats, create. So now you have a name. If you want to edit the signature name, you can do that. After that, type. So you can write a lot of things. For example, best regards sincerely. In my case, I mostly write best regards, Harshwats, content creator, Fortron Academy. So this is how you can write the signature. Now if you want to make changes in the formatting, like I want to make Harshwat's bold. Now you can click on Ctrl plus B, or you can click on bold. Or you want to change the font, you can always do that. So best regard. So I want to make it underline. If you want to do that, you can do that. Otherwise, leave it as it was. Or if otherwise you want to insert an image of your signature, you can also do that. But in certain cases, most of them do not do it. So it's your own choice how you want to do it. And if you want to increase or decrease the size, you can just click on it. You can click on large, or you can make it normal. So I want to make my name a little large. So now everything is fine. Now let's go below. So there are a lot of signature options also. When you go for one or two, it's your opinion. If you want to create new, you can also do that. Let me create another, that is only harsh. We will do it only harsh, or you can say after that create. Now harsh. Best regards, harsh. What's so these are the two things that we have. Now you have made two signature, Harsh or Harshworths. In a Harshworths, we have a Harshworths content creator Fortron Academy, while in the Harsh, it's simple best regard Harshworths. But where do we use it? So it's a signature defaults option. So when you scroll down, you will see signature default option. So there are two options for new email use or on reply forward use. So for new email use, I will use Harshworths, which is this. So if I'm just going a reply, I don't have to write all this content creator and everything. I will just go with simple one. So this is the thing that will be done. And after that, there is another option in a signature, that is insert signature before quoted text in replies and remove the dash line that precedes it. So this is the thing that you can use insert signature before quoted text. So you can do that. After that, just click on save changes. When you click on save changes, and you will get into your Gmail account. Now I will click on compose. When I click on compose, you will see now the signature has already been inserted into my email. I don't have to write it, but as you know, there are two signatures, one for new message and one for reply. Now let's use both of them. So subject, I will mail it to myself, so it will be fast. This is the test mail for signature. So you can also insert a canned template if you want to do that. So if I want to do that, you can also do that. Now you can see I have inserted my canned template which I have made in my previous video. If you want to know, if you like to know that how I have done it, you can go in my previous videos and see how the canned reply can be created. Now I will delete this because now I have inserted. So by mistake I have deleted the best regards. So now everything is done. After that, just click on send. When I click on send, you will see the new message. When I click on a new message, you will see the new message. After that, I want to reply now. When I click on reply, you will see now the signature is different from the signature that was present earlier, because earlier I used the harsh words. Now I using a harsh only, because there is a difference when I just wrote in my settings. Now let's go into the settings and show you how I've done it again. In my settings, there are two signatures that I have created, and for the signature default for new mail, I have done this signature, and for normal, for reply and forward use, I have just done this. And this is how you will create the best and use the maximum benefit out of this. So when I reply now, so this is the only signature that will go. And when I click on it, you will see now the signature is only this. Earlier the signature is this, and this is how you can use the signature with its maximum capacity. And if you want to use them with the canned template, or you can use an automated canned response also with this option. So I hope you have understood how you can maximize the signature option. So with this point, I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section and we will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have a good and amazing day.